We've seen how SharePoint list columns can display information of different types, but the mighty column can do much more. A special calculated column type can use other columns to perform math calculations or operations to display and automate list information. Calculated columns use formulas that are based on common Microsoft Excel functions and syntax. Let's look at one way calculated columns can work for you. In this example, we have a simple custom list we're using to track customer maintenance and service. For each customer, we've got a date column for the last time service was performed and a number column for the recommended days between each service call. We'd like another column that automatically displays the next service date. Calculated columns to the rescue. First, we'll enter Quick Edit mode. We'll use the Add Column button to find more column types. Let's name the column Next Service Date and select Calculated as the column type. To help others, it's good practice to enter a description for a calculated column. Now we'll type the formula. Just like Excel formulas, calculated column formulas all begin with an equal sign. In fact, if you know how to create formulas in Excel, you'll find the syntax is largely the same in SharePoint. The pane on the right displays the list's columns. Our goal is to add the last service date and the maintenance frequency together to calculate when the next service should take place. So we'll select the last service date and use the Add to Formula link. The column names used in the formula are between square brackets. Since we want to add columns together, we'll type a plus sign next. Now let's add the second column, the maintenance frequency. The formula looks good. Now, since we'd like the result of the formula to be a date, we'll choose Date and Time below and leave Date Only selected. That's it. Now we'll click OK to try it out. With our list in Quick Edit view, the next service date is displayed automatically in our new calculated column. Clicking over the new column, we can see that it's grayed out since the information is calculated. Let's adjust one of the other columns. The new calculated service date will appear automatically when we click out of the row. Just a reminder, if you need to change or debug your calculated column, use the List ribbon up top, then List Settings. You'll find your column listed below, and you can click on the column name to edit. So the calculated column type can do the heavy lifting for you by automatically displaying useful information on your list.